Hello.
Hey everyone, hi, what's up? Hope you all guys are doing good. Well, I'm Sneha, and so today I'm going to give you or share with you guys my new makeup look, and also I'm going to give you a tutorial for this amazing, dramatic, or a bold look. So, yeah, already I prepped my face, and you guys should know how important it is to prepare your face before applying any makeup product. After preparing my face, well, now I'm starting with my eyebrows first. For that, I have not taken any new stuff here, but I have taken a black shade from one of my eyeshadow palette, and the name of this palette is Jacqueline Hill. Well, everyone knows, I think. Here I use an angle brush for filling my brows and also using spoolie for my brows. Guys, have you ever noticed that whenever we use spoolie in our brows, it looks more natural? And now I'm applying concealer on my eyebrows to make it look better or a sharp. And here I'm using a Kiss Beauty professional concealer palette with the help of my flat concealer brush. After that, I have applied concealer on my eyelid as well, and I'm going to start with my eye makeup first. But guys, before starting my eye makeup, I'm going to give you a small tip or a trick also. So here I'm using one layer of compact powder on my whole face because it gives me a sweat proof makeup, and this trick is really helpful in summer. Then, with the help of my angle brush, I have taken black eyeshadow and make a V-shaped liner, and then using a pencil brush for blending it. And guys, always remember whenever you do a makeup, always first apply matte eyeshadow, then apply any glitter and what you want to apply. But first, using a matte one. Now, after a lot of blending, I'm using a black glitter on my eyelid, middle of my eyelid, and then using a same pencil brush for blending it on the whole corners of my eyelid. Well, it looks good, Hannah. After the matte or a glitter black eyeshadow, now for more pop up my eyes, I'm applying a silver glitter eyeshadow. Well, you guys also use a highlighter. Now to complete this eye makeup, I'm going to applying kajal on my lower lash line. And guys, be careful whenever you apply a kajal. And then I have taken same black matte shade applying on my lower lash line and make it smoky look. For making it more smoky look, well, वो पहले से smoky look है, उसे थोड़ा सा और smoky look बनाने के लिए I'm applying a little bit matte eyeshadow. And with this discussion, now our eye makeup is done, and I'm going to start my face makeup. So first I'm going to start with the color character. So here I'm using a same palette for my color character, and I apply color on my whole face. Well, I think not on my whole face, but where the place जहाँ पर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंट और एक्ने प्रॉब्लम की वजह से मार्क्स है मेरे फेस पर, वहाँ मैंने अप्लाई किया कलर करेक्टर. For setting my color character, I am using this fluffy foundation brush. If you want to buy this brush, I'm going to give a link in description. Go and check. But after watching this video, okay, so here you guys notice one thing. Here I'm not rub my face with the help of my fluffy brush, where I'm going to dab it with the help of my brush, because in this video I'm not using any beauty blender. And then I'm applying concealer using same concealer, not concealer, it's flat concealer brush, and I'm trying to spread on my whole face with the help of my, of course, the same brush. मैं बार बार नाम नहीं लूँगी. And then I'm using the same fluffy foundation brush for blending my concealer very well. And now the same thing I'm doing right now is I'm just dabbed it on my face. I don't rub it. Tip number 2: whenever you mix or blend your foundation or a concealer with the help of your brush, if your skin is oily, then it's okay, but your skin is dry like mine, then you should first wet your brush and then blend your cream. It give you a best result. And now I'm going to apply foundation, and this is a liquid foundation. I always love to apply liquid foundation because stick foundation is never suit on my face. And this time I'm using a Blue Heaven foundation, liquid foundation, and using the same fluffy brush. You know guys, this brush is my favorite, all time favorite brush. After blending my foundation, it's time to do a contour your face contouring your face, whatever it is. And so yeah, I'm using the same palette. Well, you know what, I'm going to tell you one thing. Well, it is not a thing, I think it is reality of my contour. I think it is just type of a contour story. So okay, so the first day when I start a makeup, when I buy my Kiss Beauty concealer palette, to till now I don't buy any different or a different palette or a different stick for contour. I'm using a same concealer palette till now, and I think this is the best palette, I think, because Kiss Beauty is like a 3-in-1 palette. The texture is really good, it blended very well. That's why I'm in love with this palette. After blending my contour with the help of my contour brush, now I'm applying a compact powder on my face, and this is the second layer of my compact powder on my face actually. And now it's the time to make or turn my cheeks into red tomatoes, and this time I'm not using any branded blush. This is a homemade blush which I made by myself. If you guys want tutorial for this blush, then comment me, and you can see the texture of my homemade blush. I think I'm in love with this blush, and I'm using a blush brush for blending it. And here I'm not using some extra brushes for my makeup. I'm using only a Skin Plus brushes, and when I buy this brush, I got 10 brushes in this package, but all the 10 ones are really helpful for me, is really helpful. Like there I'm using a highlighter with the help of my Skin Plus brush, makeup brush. Okay, for highlighter I'm using Swiss Beauty highlighter palette. After applying highlighter, now the final step of our makeup is lipstick. It's lipstick, yeah. So first I'm applying concealer on my lips, then using a lip liner. This is a lip liner in a brown shade, so this lip liner in brown shade, and then after applying this lip liner, blend it very well with the help of a lip liner brush. I think it's a lip liner, I get to remember the एग्जैक्ट नेम ऑफ द ब्रश, बट इट इज़ गुड. एंड उसके बाद यहाँ पर मैं सेम क्रीम और सेम वो यूज़ कर रही हूँ लिपस्टिक के लिए जो मैंने अभी ब्लश के लिए यूज़ किया था. इट्स लाइक लिप बाम. So after applying the lip liner or a lipstick, my lip looking really good. And then I'm applying a little bit of highlighter on my lips. It looks really good now. So guys, this is our final look. Hope you guys like this look, like this video, and yeah. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and please comment me what you want next in my channel. So okay, bye.